Alright guys, so the recipe of the week is frozen blueberry yogurt bites. So it's a nice little snack and it's only 136 calories per servings that you make on here. So that's really good, and then you have a nice healthy snack for you. And then today's workout, we're doing full body. So it's going to be a minute for each exercise. So once again, put your timer on and then start the exercise. So first you're going to start, you don't have to have a jump rope. You're just going to jump rope for a minute. So however you normally would jump rope, if you had a jump rope, just do the motion. Yeah. Do it for a minute. If you can't, off and on, just stop when you can, take a breath, and then start it again. Standing side crunches for a minute. So this is going to be, so you're going to start like this, and then you're just going to kind of do a side crunch. If you can't do that, you can just do this. Just keep your core tight, and then do the other side. Okay? All right. The next one is going to be a side shuffle. So all you're going to do is you're going to kind of get low like this if you can, and you're just going to shuffle back to the side. Side shuffle. Do it for a minute. Because believe me, you're going to be out of breath if you do it for a minute. Okay? Skaters. So I don't know if anybody's seen these before, but these are really good. So it's like you're skating. So you're actually going to go, let me think about this for a moment. Back and forth. So these are just skaters, like you're roller skating or on ice. Do that for a minute. And we're going to go into speed bag punches. So last week we did some uppercuts. So speed bag, you get your hands up here and just kind of get your feet going, get your hands going, and you're going to do it for a minute. And then sumo squat with your hands behind your head. So you're going to do this for a minute. So you're actually just going to come out here as far as you can. Put your hands up on your head, and you're just going to squat down. Go as far as you can. Don't overdo it if you can't. You know what your limitations are. And you'll do that for a minute, and you're going to repeat that. So 2 to 3 times. So that's it.